Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am starting 7th class Mathematics part 2, that is exercise 1.2 I am starting now. Now in last class in first part 1 already we discussed exercise 1. Now before starting exercise 1.2, first we should know the one basic topic, that is plus into plus is equal to plus and minus into minus is equal to plus and plus into minus is equal to minus, and fourth one is minus into plus is equal to minus. Remember this topic, this is very important. Without knowing this topic we can't do single problem, students. Okay, right, let's start the exercise 2. Yeah, question number exercise 2, question number 1, students. That is represent the following additions on a number line. Okay, first bit is 5 plus 7. Okay, how should we solve this type of questions? Okay, simple addition, students. Here two integers are there. Here in these two integers, what we have to do? Here simple, we should add beside 5 nothing is there means plus. First integer having a plus means that is nothing but number 1. Yeah, first number is having a plus symbol, and second integer having plus symbol. Both are having plus, students. Both are plus means plus into plus concept is plus. Plus means what we have to do? Addition, students. That is 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Yeah. In this one, which number is bigger number? 7 is a bigger number. 7 having which symbol? Plus symbol. Put plus symbol. Okay. Now, number line. First draw number line. This is number line. Okay. Middle one is 0. Right side has positive values. Always take right side positive values. Left side negative values. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Till plus 12 I have taken, students. Why? Because here only I got answer is plus 12. That's why I have taken plus 12. No need to take minus numbers, minus 12. Why? Because depending on our final answer, you should take the that is positive values or negative values. Okay, na? Right. First number starts from 0. 0 is the center one. Right side has positive values, left side has negative values. Here first number is 0. And remember one point, number line always plus means we should take right side, we should go right side, and minus means we should go left side. Here 0 is the center one. I am putting my finger on 0. Plus 5 means I should go right side, right? I should count plus 5 numbers on right side. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 5. Put here arrow mark. This is plus 5. Okay. Next, after that again plus symbol is there. Plus 5 after the middle which symbol is there? Plus symbol. Again plus symbol means again I should take right side, right? Means right side. I am putting my finger on a plus 5. How many numbers I should count? Here plus 7 is there. Now count plus 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 5 to arrow marker. This is plus 7. This is a representation of a number line. Okay, you can check the final answer, students. Oh, here 0 to plus 5 means I have taken right side. Again I continued from number 5 to 7. Now 0 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. The overall number line is on ending is 12. Here I got final answer is 12. Therefore, it's satisfied. Okay, na? This is the representation of number line, students. Let's see the second bit. Your second bit is 5 plus 2, students. That is nothing but beside 5 nothing is there means take place. 5 having plus symbol, 2 having plus symbol. Both are having plus symbols. Plus into plus is nothing but addition. Plus plus means addition. What we have to do? Addition is simple. Here 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Here in this one which number is bigger number? 5 is the bigger one. 5 having which symbol? Plus symbol. Put plus symbol. No number line. Draw number line. 0 is the center one. Take right side as positive values. Left side take negative values. Here 5 plus 5 means here plus 5 means I should take a right side. Now 0 to 5. Next again bit middle plus symbol there, again I should continue right side only. I should take a right side. Why? Because plus symbols means we should take right side. Minus value means minus symbol means we should take a left side. Now again plus 2. This is plus 2. Okay, 0 to 5. Again plus 2 means 6 or 7. The final answer is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. The final number line also I got answer is 7. Okay, this is a representation of a number line, students. Let's see the third one. Third bit is 5 plus of minus 2. 5 plus of minus 2. Okay. Right. 5 plus of minus 2. Here two symbols are there. First 5 write as it is. Beside 5 nothing is there. Mistake plus. No. Here bracket means here into is nothing but multiplication. Students, remember this point. Plus into minus is equal to minus. No. 2 is equal to no. One number 5 having plus symbol and 2 having minus symbol. 1 plus 1 minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus, students. Minus is nothing but a subtraction. If subtraction means subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 2 answer is 3. In this one, which number is bigger number? 5 is the bigger number. 5 having which symbol? Plus symbol. Put plus symbol. Now first 5 students take 0 to beside 5 nothing is there means plus symbol 0 to 5. This is plus 5. No, again I simplified after removed as bracket symbol. Here minus symbol. Minus means I should go left side. How many numbers I should go? 2 numbers. Now I am taking downside negative numbers. Why? Because right side I am taking upside positive values. I am taking negative values. I am taking downside representing here minus 2 means 2 numbers. This is minus 2. Therefore final answer is I got on 3. Okay na? This is the representation of number line, student. Third one. Next let's see the fourth bit. Fourth bit is 5 plus of minus 7, students. 5 plus of minus 7. Right. Now simplify. 5 first bracket plus into minus is nothing but minus 7. Beside 5 is nothing but plus symbol. Plus into minus is minus. Minus means what we have to do? Subtraction. 7 minus 5. Answer is 2. Yeah, in this one which number is bigger number? 7 is the bigger. 7 having which symbol? Minus symbol. Put minus symbol. Now representation of number line, right. First plus 5, 0 to plus 5 means I should take right side. Minus 7, minus means I should take left side. How many numbers I should count? 7. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is plus 5, this is minus 7. The final answer is minus 2. The number line on minus 2 I got. This is the way of representing a number line, students. This topic is very important. This type of questions you will get 100% in exam point of view. Put 3 stars and practice well, students. Okay na? Let's see question number 2, students. Now exercise 2, question number 1 completed. Okay. Yeah. Let's see question number 2, students. So that is complete the following. First one is 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 means first beside 7 nothing is there means take plus symbol. 7 having plus symbol and 4 having plus symbol. Both are having a plus symbol. Plus into plus is nothing but plus. Plus means what we have to do? So addition. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Yeah, in this one which number is bigger number? 7 is a bigger one. 7 having which symbol? Plus symbol. Put plus symbol. Okay. This is a way of finding a number, students. Now beside first write 8. Now here 2 symbols are there. Whenever you will get a 2 symbols, first simplify that 2 symbols equal to 1 symbol. Okay. Right. There it is 2 symbols to 1 symbol. Okay. Here 2 symbols are there. Now plus into minus is equal to minus. Now 8 minus 3. Now beside it nothing is there means here plus. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. minus means clearly subtraction. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. In this one, which number is bigger number? 8 is the bigger. 8 having which symbol? Plus symbol. Okay. Next. Beside 11 is nothing but plus symbol. Both are having plus. Plus into plus. Plus. 11 plus 3, 14. Here bigger number is 11. 11 having which symbol? Plus symbol. Next. Again here, two symbols I got. Yeah, same. Whenever you will get two symbols, just try to simplify. Two symbols, reduce two symbols to one symbol. Now 14 plus into minus, minus. Now beside 14 nothing is there means plus symbol. Plus into minus, minus. Minus means subtraction. 14 minus 6, 8. In this one, which number is bigger number? 14 is a bigger one. 14 having plus symbol, put plus symbol. Next. Similarly, here also I got two symbols. First try to reduce two symbols to one symbol. Now 9 plus into minus, minus. 9 minus 7. Beside 9 nothing is there means plus. Plus into minus here, minus. Minus means subtraction. 9 minus 7. 2. Here in this one, which number is bigger number? 9 is the bigger. 9 having which symbol? Plus symbol. Put plus symbol. No. Similarly, question number 6. Now 14 plus into minus. Here also I got two symbols. Now here I am reducing two symbols to one symbol first. 14 plus into minus, minus. Yeah, beside 14 nothing is there means plus. Plus into minus, minus. 14 minus 6, 8. Bigger number is 14. 14 having this symbol, plus symbol, put plus symbol. Okay. Next. Here also I got two symbols. I am reducing two symbols. Now plus into minus, minus. 13 minus 15. Here beside 13 nothing is there means take plus symbol. Plus into minus, minus. 15 minus 13, 2. In this one, which number is bigger number? 15 is the bigger. 15 having the symbol minus. Put minus symbol. Now here two symbols I got again. Plus into minus, minus. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. Next. Here also 10 plus into minus, minus. 10 minus 2. Beside 10 nothing is a mistake. Plus symbol. Plus into minus, minus. Subtraction 10 minus 2, 8. In this one here 10 is the bigger number. 10 having this symbol, plus symbol. Put plus symbol. Next. Here also I got two numbers, two symbols. Plus into minus, minus. Beside 100 nothing is a mistake. Plus symbol. Plus into minus, minus. 100 minus 80, 20. The bigger number is 100. Now 225 plus into minus, minus. 225 minus 145. Here final answer is plus 55. 55 plus 5, 60. 60 plus 20, 80. Okay. Yeah. This is a question number 2, students. Okay. This topic also very, very important. Practice well. This type of questions also will get an exam point of view, and very, very important. Not only this class, students, this topic is very important to further future classes like 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay. This is the basic topic. Without knowing this topic, he can't do single problem also in further classes. Okay. Be serious on this topic, students. Okay. Right. Now, let's start the exercise 3, students. Exercise 3 is represent the following subtractions on the number line. In exercise 2, just now we did a exercise 2. First column is represent the following addition on the number line. Addition concept just we did. Now 7 minus 2. Now subtraction concept. Right. First beside 7 nothing is a mistake. Plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus means subtraction. 7 minus 2, 5. In this one, which number is bigger number? 7 is the bigger number. 7 having which symbol? Plus symbol. Now number line. 0 is the center one. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1. Okay. Now first is plus 7. Start from 0. Plus symbol means we should take right side. 0 to plus 7. Okay. This is plus 7. No. Beside minus symbol is there. Minus symbol means I should take a left side. How many numbers I should take left side? 2 numbers. 1, 2. Okay. This is a representing a number line. Okay. Now let's see the second bit. 8 minus of minus 7. Second bit is 8 minus of minus 7. 8 minus of minus 7. Okay. First 8 write as it is. Minus into minus. Here I got two symbols. that two symbols I am representing I am reducing one symbol. Now minus into minus plus. 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, both are having plus symbol, put plus symbol. No. Number line is okay. No, place 8. No, place 8 means right side place symbol means start from 0 0 to 8. Okay, this is place 8 student. Again between place symbol is there, place means again I should continue. Plus how many numbers I should take? 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is plus 7. The final answer is 15 and number line also I got a 15. Okay, this is a representation of a number line student. Second problem. Now let's see the third beta. 3 minus 7. Third bit is 3 minus 7. Okay. 3 minus 7. Okay. Beside 3 nothing is there, mistake place. Plus into minus. Minus means clearly subtraction. 7 minus 3 is 4. Here in this one which number is bigger number? 7 is a bigger one. 7 having which symbol? Minus symbol, put minus symbol. Now first is plus 3. 0 to 3. Okay. This is plus 3. Middle minus symbol is there. Minus means I should take right side. How many numbers I should take right? 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is minus 7. Okay. Now final answer in simplification I got answer minus 4 and number line I got answer minus 4. Okay. This is the representation of a number line students. Let's see the fourth beta. 15 minus 14. 15 minus 14. 15 minus 14 means here beside 15 nothing is there means plus. Plus into minus minus. 15 minus 14 answer is 1. Here in this one which number is bigger number? 15 is the bigger one. 15 having which symbol? Plus symbol. Put plus symbol. First plus 15, 0 to plus 50. Minus 14. Minus 14 means I should take 14 numbers left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? Minus 14. Okay, simplification answer I got plus 1 and number line also I got answer is plus 1. Okay? This is the presentation of number line students. Next let's see the fifth beta. 5 minus of minus 8. 5 minus of minus 8. Okay, first here two symbols are there. Try to reduce two symbols to one symbol. Minus into minus plus 5 plus 8 13. Here bigger number is 8. 8 having the symbol plus symbol. Okay. First start from 0 0 to first 5 students plus 5. Next this is plus 5. Again plus symbol is a plus symbol means again I should take a right side plus 8. Okay. The simplification answer I got plus 13 answer and number line also I got answer plus 13. This is a representation of a number line students. Let's see the sixth beta. Minus 2 minus of minus 1. Minus 2 minus of minus 1. First minus 2 minus into minus plus 1. Answer is minus 1. Okay. Right. First 0 0 to minus 2 means students left side take a next again plus 1 wait again plus 1 means take a right side Okay, this is a representation of a number line, students. Let's see the question number 2. Yeah. Let's see the question number 2, students. Solve the following. Here first one is 17 minus of minus 14. Here two minus symbols are there. So these two symbols I am reducing to one symbol. 17 minus into minus plus 14. 17 plus 14. 27, 31, students, plus 31. Why? Because your bigger number is having plus 17. Put plus symbol. Here also I got a second bit 13 minus of minus 18. Here also two symbols are there. Try to reduce two symbols to one symbol. First 13 minus into minus plus 13 plus 8 21. Here beside 13 nothing is a mistake, plus symbol. Here bigger number is 13. 13 having which symbol? Plus symbol. Now put plus symbol. No. 19 here also two symbols are there, minus into minus plus 19 plus 5 24 plus 24. Now 15 minus 28. Beside 15 nothing is there, mistake, plus into minus, minus, students, minus is nothing but subtraction. 28 minus 15. 8 plus 5 13, students. Here in this one which number is bigger number? 28 is the bigger one. 28 having which symbol? Minus symbol, put minus symbol. Now 25 minus 33, beside 25 nothing is there, mistake, plus symbol, plus into minus, minus. Minus means clearly subtraction. 33 minus 25, 5 plus 3 8. Your bigger number is 33. 33 having which symbol? Minus symbol, put minus symbol. Next 80 minus into minus plus 80 plus 50. 80 plus 50 plus 130, students. Next similarly plus into minus, minus 150 minus 75. 75 your bigger number is 150. 150 having plus symbol, put plus symbol. Next here 32, two symbols are there. First reduce two symbols to one symbol. 32 minus of minus plus 32 plus 18 42 8 50, students. Bigger number is 32. 32 having the symbol plus symbol. Okay, this is a solving method, students. This is a basic thing. Already in last problem also we discussed the same topic. Okay, let's see the question number 3. Here question number 3 is x plus minus 6. Okay, this is the question number 3, students. Last question, x plus minus 6 as the difference between a negative integer and a whole number. Okay, simple, students. Here minus 6 is the final number. Difference is nothing but subtraction minus between a negative integer. We should take the negative integers. The negative integers are nothing but minus values and a whole number. That number should be whole number. Okay, take any two negative integers. Simplify the two integers, you should get final answer is minus 6. This is the condition, students. Minus 6. Okay, first negative integer is minus 4. Take minus, the second integer is minus 2. Both are having minus. Minus into minus plus 4 plus 2 6. Yeah, in this one which number is bigger number? 4 is the bigger number. 4 having which symbol? Minus symbol. Yeah. Remaining numbers. Minus 5, minus 1 also you can take. Why? Because minus into minus plus 5 plus 1 6. Your bigger number is 5 having the symbol minus symbol. Minus satisfied, 6 also I got answer. But these two numbers are negative integers. These two numbers also I can take. Right, minus 6 is equal to minus 2 minus 4. Say minus into minus plus 2 plus 4 6. Here in this one which number is bigger number? 4 is the bigger. 4 having which symbol? Minus symbol, take minus symbol. These two are negative integers. You can take this number also. Therefore minus 6 is equal to minus 4 minus 2 take you first condition, and minus 5 minus 1 you can take, and minus 2 minus 4. Three conditions I got. Yeah, this is a way of finding the negative integers. Okay, na? Right. Exercise 3 also completed, students. Remaining problems means remaining exercise we will do in next class with another problem. Yeah, that's all for today's class, students. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel and like it and share to your friends, students. Thank you so much. Me Vamshi Kumar.